Bitcoin price rejects key resistance, but could Fed's Powell send price surging on Friday? Bitcoin price prediction. Cryptocurrency, the Bitcoin price was strongly rejected at its 50 DMA around $61,300 ahead of a key speech from Fed Chair Powell. What's next? Last updated August 22nd, 2024 at 7:23 GMT3. Author Joel Frank, about author since. Graduating with a degree in economics from the University of Birmingham in 2018, Joel has worked as a financial market cryptocurrency analyst. He firmly believes that emerging crypto technology, author profile, share copied, last updated August 22nd, 2024 at 7:23 GMT3. Why trust Cryptonews? With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Bitcoin price rejects key resistance, but could Fed's Powell send price surging on Friday? Cryptonews. The Bitcoin BTC price rejected strong resistance in the form of its 50 decimeters around $61,300 on Thursday, subsequently falling back to around $60,000 despite new economic data coming out that pushes back on the idea that the U.S. economy is nearing a recession. But Fed Chair Jerome Powell is expected to signal an incoming series of interest rate cuts beginning next month in a speech tomorrow. Could this send the Bitcoin price vaulting higher? Will Powell send the Bitcoin price surging? Fed Chair Jerome Powell is expected to signal the start of a series of 25 BPS rate cuts starting next month at tomorrow's Jackson Hole speech. Given that markets are currently pricing in a modest 25% probability of 50 BPS rate cut next month, that could be a marginal disappointment to some traders betting on bigger and faster rate cuts. The Bitcoin price could therefore see some marginal downside as bets on a 50% BPS rate cut are wound down. But the size of the September rate cut won't be the main point of focus. Rather, the Fed's longer-term plans will be, first, how far and fast will the Fed cut interest rates in the coming years? Markets are currently pricing around 125 BPS worth of easing by the end of 2025, per CME data. Powell's remarks will be closely watched as they could impact these longer-term expectations. Even if these longer-term expectations remains unimpacted, the fact that a Fed rate cutting cycle is incoming is likely to still be a tailwind for the crypto market, even if it's expected. That's because lower interest rates mean more liquidity in the economy and financial markets, and that liquidity usually ends up chasing riskier assets like Bitcoin. Easing liquidity conditions in the years ahead is one reason why the Bitcoin price will likely touch $100,000 in the coming year. A friendlier U.S. political landscape, continued institutional adoption via ETFs, and the delayed impact of the halving supply shock are further long-term bullish catalysts. Regarding what short-term traders can expect, look out for a potential breakout from the recent pennant structure. That could open the door to a return to July highs at $70,000. Any fresh breakout to new record highs, however, may need to wait until after the summer and potentially after the U.S. election. Follow us on Google News